Now, the IEBC disciplinary committee chaired by IEBC chairperson Wafula Chebukati has summoned a number of politicians over several electoral malpractices. Among them is Vihiga Governor Moses Akaranga, who's currently appearing before that disciplinary committee. That particular committee is holding its lobby at the KICC. Let's cross over there and listen into that particular session.
Their commitment to homegrown American industries, showcasing special goods and products made in the US, included fire trucks,
is in fact the right Jubilee candidate.
And in what looks like a U-turn, President Trump now says that he wants to let
Your Honor, it is a solution that the same is contrary as to the Electoral Code of Conduct, particularly paragraph 6G of the second schedule, and it is the complainant's humble submission that the accused be directed to remove any such posters within the next 24 hours, noting the proximity of the election date. I've had occasion to look at the response by the accused, and by and large they admit, whether they attribute it to third parties. I believe we are chaired by that admission. They acknowledge wrongdoing on their part. I've looked at their paragraph 8 of the affidavit that is sworn on the 17th of July, that is yesterday. And I would argue that the ultimate responsibility of ensuring that the said posters or portraits are removed rests on no other party other than the accused. I would urge the Commission to put its foot down and rein in on that malicious and obviously unlawful conduct. So that will be all for now. I will reserve a right of response in the event of issues are raised that I will need to respond to. Thank you, Chair. Yes, Mr. Chairman and the Commissioners, in a brief response, there are two issues that are being presented to us. The first issue is the issue of colors, that my client is using the colors of the Jubilee Party. In the affidavit sworn by my client, dated 17th of July 2017, we have explained that as an independent candidate, he approached the Commission and was issued with a symbol which he christened Twaweza. That symbol has the colors that he is using. The symbol is grey and black with a predominantly red background and white writings. The respondent has confined his campaign materials to those colors.
What's the symbol? Is it attached to the affidavit?
No, it is not attached to the affidavit, but I can provide our apologies. What we have,
you can give us a copy.
We have samples of what was approved by the Commission.
Yes, proceed.
Our argument, Mr. Chairman and Commissioners, is that the colors complained of are not exclusive to the Jubilee.
A session there by the IEBC disciplinary committee chaired by IEBC chairperson Wafula Chebukati. Today, they are expected to hear 18 cases where various politicians who are seeking to be elected are alleged to have been involved in electoral malpractices, one of them being Vihiga Governor Moses Akaranga. Our senior reporter Patrick Amimo is there keeping tabs on what's happening, and definitely he will be giving us more details later on as some of the decisions that will be taken by the disciplinary committee, with IEBC coming out very strongly saying they are taking no chances with this particular election. Before we take a short break here, remember, coming back, we'll be discussing yesterday's